cooking together.
Let's make pancakes for breakfast.
I don't know how to cook. Is it hard?
Not at all. First, we need flour, eggs, and milk.
Okay, I have the flour. What's next?
Now mix everything together in a bowl.
Like this? It's a little messy.
That's okay. Cooking can be messy sometimes.
Now what do we do?
Pour the mixture into the pan and wait until it's golden.
It smells delicious.
And it's ready. Let's eat together.
This is the best breakfast ever. Thanks for teaching me.
The first day at school.
I'm nervous. What if nobody likes me?
Everyone feels nervous on the first day. It's totally normal.
What should I say to the other kids?
Just say, "Hi, my name is," and ask their name too.
That sounds easy. What if I make a mistake?
Mistakes are okay. That's how we learn.
Okay, I'll try. Wish me luck.
You'll do great. I believe in you.
I made a new friend today.
See? I told you it would be fine.
Lost in the mall.
I can't find Mum anywhere. Where did she go?
Don't panic. Let's stay right here. She'll come back for us.
But what if she doesn't find us?
Look, there's a help desk over there. We can ask for help.
Good idea. Let's go talk to them.
Excuse me, we lost our mom. Can you help us?
Of course. What does she look like?
She has brown hair, and she's wearing a red jacket. Okay, I'll make an announcement right now. Thank you so much. I feel better now. Thanks for staying calm with me. That's what sisters are for.
Stay calm. A power outage conversation.
I can't see anything. I'm scared.
It's okay. It's just a power outage. The lights will come back soon.
A power outage? What's that?
It means there's no electricity right now. Sometimes it happens during a storm.
Is it dangerous?
No, don't worry. We just need to stay calm and wait.
Can we turn on a flashlight?
Good idea. I have one in the drawer. Let's get it together.
I found it, but it's not working.
Let's check the batteries. Maybe they're empty.
You're right. Here are new batteries.
See? Now we have light again.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. Remember, when something unexpected happens, stay calm and think step by step.
I'll remember that. Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. Let's wait here together until the lights come back.